Car insurance in New York. In a moment, you'll discover the single biggest mistake people make while shopping for car insurance in New York, and how exactly to get the cheapest auto insurance rate that is available to you. The number one mistake made, while shopping for car insurance, is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers. Less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. To register your car in New York, you must carry New York State-issued automobile liability insurance. Failure to do so may result in suspension of both your car's registration and your New York driver's license. The minimum amount of liability coverage you'll need, $10,000 for property damage for a single accident, $25,000 for bodily injury and $50,000 for death for a person involved in an accident, $50,000 for bodily injury and $100,000 for death for 2 or more people in an accident. This coverage must remain in effect while your registration is valid, even if you're not using the vehicle. There is an exception for motorcycles. When you store your bike for the winter, you can terminate your insurance without having to worry about suspension. But you'll need to reactivate that insurance before you can legally ride your motorcycle on public roads. You must carry New York State coverage for a New York registered vehicle. And your insurance must be issued in the name of the vehicle registrant, and remain in the registrant's name. Since the DMV requires you to have a certain amount of vehicle insurance, you'll need to provide proof that your vehicle is actually insured. There's 2 ways to do this. First, when you purchase insurance, your insurance company will give you 2 original New York State insurance identification cards. Your insurance company will also send the DMV an electronic notice of insurance coverage. The DMV requires both the electronic notice and an insurance card. When you go to register your vehicle, you'll need to bring one of your insurance identification cards with you. The DMV will keep this card on file. You'll want to keep your other NYS insurance ID card in your vehicle, along with your registration slip. You may be required to show it if you are stopped by a police officer for a traffic infraction. You'll also want to have your insurance information handy if you are involved in a traffic accident. Now, as promised, here is a simple trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. And best of all, it's completely free.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.